This is a review from EmpireBrandSync.com. These are the PureSound 10mm headphones. As you can see, the packaging looks great and has great information of these headphones on the outside and inside cover. Also, as you can see, that it has a great display of the headphones while it's in the packaging. This is a quick unboxing to show how securely packaged they are. Included inside is a little thing that you can wrap your headphones around to carry them easier. Also, there are small, medium, and large sleeves for all different ear sizes. Taking an even more in-depth look, you can also find that there is a carrying case to carry your headphones around. It's a nice little case that you can take anywhere. This bag is big enough that you can fit an iPod, a Zune, or any MP3 player that you want in here. The packaging is very secure to ensure that nothing is broken inside. The headphones are not tangle proof, but because of the material they are made out of, it is easier to untangle them. These headphones look great and they fit in the ear very snugly to ensure sound cancelling abilities. A nice little thing about these headphones is that it includes a clip to hang anywhere. Inside is a paper that includes the aspects of these headphones. I will now show you the sound quality of Pure 1000 headphones. As you can see, these headphones are great for any genre of music that you may listen to. You can change the attachments of these headphones very easily. The Pure earbuds are available at Costco.com, and I would highly recommend these headphones for anybody that loves bass heavy music.